Hello everybody, this is Michael Zelaya and I'm here to talk to you about SharkBait's GPS 2.0. I want to go over some of the goals that we set out to do when we made this prototype. We wanted to make sure that the prototype offered help in other languages to the user, as well as giving interesting information about the campus as they walk to the next destination. We also wanted to make sure that the user had something to go back to even after they were already familiar with the campus. We also wanted to ensure that the user could access emergency and non-emergency call centers if they needed it. And the user had to be able to tour the campus with no outside help. But we wanted to make sure that the touring experience was as fun as possible. Our mission since the very beginning has not changed. We wanted to change how people experience going to a college campus for the first time. We came to the conclusion that such an experience can be just as confusing as it is thrilling. And there's no reason why people shouldn't be able to skip through that confusion. And our app sets out to do that. The design of our prototype is focused around five main parts: the settings corner, the audio corner, the work corner, and the help corner, and the fifth part, the main search bar at the top. And there's an eye icon that gives a small tutorial about what each corner does. The attached here is our prototype. My teammates will go over what exactly all these parts do, and you can expect that at the end of this presentation. Now, someone answered questions, or questions that we had for you were, how long do you think you would keep this app on your phone? Is there enough content to keep you there, for you to keep using the app even after you're familiar with the campus? And finally, what do you think are some innovative ways that artificial reality could be used to change or better your daily routine? Thank you for your time, and remember, the demo for our prototype will be right after this presentation.
Hello everyone, this is our app SharkBait, and I'm going to demonstrate how it works. Okay, this is our app. As you can see, you see different icons. So to find out what each icon means, you're going to click this I button for information. And the gear icon is settings. The setting corner will allow you to change the UI language from English to Spanish, font, or turn on or off the artificial reality. The work corner we set to allow you to set reminders for yourself and also to give you the weather for that day. There's also a help corner in the event that you need to call 911 or you need to call a non-emergency phone line. There's also the audio option, which allows you to change the voice to Spanish or English, or it even allows you to mute it. And finally, we have the headings option. As far as the headings, we have pre-selected routes the user may choose, or you can type in whatever route you prefer, your choice. Okay, so to end the tutorial, I'm going to tap here. Okay, now I'm going to show you further what each icon does. So you see settings, Spanish, English, AR fonts, the back button, the work. I'm going to set a reminder to show you how this works. Now I set a reminder, I named it work. I'm going to see set reminders, and as you can see, it saved work. Go back here, weather info, pops up the weather. As you can see, in the event that I needed to call 911, I would hit this button. I'm going to select yes, and as you can see, it's calling 911. And as I said before, you can have somebody talk to you during the app. want in Spanish or English. Or if you prefer just to have directions on the screen, then you can use this option as well. Okay, now we're going to test out the app. So I'm going to select the library for now. Select Go. As you can see, it shows the route loading. Shows a demonstration of how our app would work. Different pictures showing you where the library to be so the user would not get lost. And then once you reach your destination, it's going to let you know. And we also put important information and just some facts that the user might want to know. For example, this one about the Shervin Library says it was open to the public on December 8th, 2001. Okay, I'm going to show you another destination. We'll go to DeSantis next. Thumb number of the route, showing loading route, showing the route, again, more showing of the route. And as you can see, there's the DeSantis building right there. And we put some interesting facts about DeSantis that the user could read if they wanted. Now we also have the University Center. So I'm going to select Go. Loading the route. Shows the user heading to University Center. And as you can see, you arrived at the University Center. Another option that we wanted to implement on our app was an option for somebody to be able to get something to eat, say they're hungry. Like, the University Center offers different food options. So if the user were to click right here, as you can see, there's different locations. We have the flight deck, Mondo Subs, Green, Starbucks, Einstein Bagels, and Grow Nation. So I'm going to return home. I also want to show real quick the Spanish option that we had for this app. So I'm going to select here, hit Go. As you can see, it changed to Spanish. As you can see, the history is in Spanish as well. It reads, ¿Sabía usted? NSU está clasificado como una universidad de investigación con alta actividad de investigación por la Fundación Carnegie para el avance de la enseñanza, y NSU es una de las 50 universidades en todo el país que también recibió la clasificación de compromiso comunitario de Carnegie. And now back to the homepage. And that's pretty much our app. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.